In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image URLs directly from Google Drive. This process is incredibly helpful if you're looking to share specific images online without needing to worry about permissions or file formats. Let's dive in and walk through this step by step. To get started, you'll first want to open your browser and navigate to Google Drive, where your desired image is stored. If you're not already signed into your Google account, go ahead and do that by entering your login credentials. Once you're in, locate the image you want to create a URL for. This might involve scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top if you have a lot stored. When you find the image, right-click on it, and in the menu that appears, select Get Link. This will pop up a new window showing the sharing settings of your file. Here, you can adjust who has access to the file. To make sure your image is accessible to anyone with the link, change the privacy settings from restricted to anyone with the link. This is crucial because if the link is restricted, others won't be able to view your image even if they have the URL. After ensuring the proper settings, copy the URL that's provided. Now here's the magic step. This URL isn't quite ready for public sharing just yet because it's still set up as a download link. What you want to do is edit this link so it becomes a direct image link. To do this, take the copied URL and paste it into a text editor or directly into your browser's address bar, but don't hit enter yet. Locate the section in your link where it says file, followed by a string of characters. These characters are your file's ID. Copy this ID because you'll be using it for your final image URL. Now you're going to create a new URL using a standard format, https://drive.google.com/uc export-view-nid, followed by the file ID you just copied. Paste this new URL into your browser and try loading it. If it's done correctly, you should now be viewing your image directly, suitable for embedding or sharing anywhere online. Remember, this direct link allows others to see the image, but does not allow downloads, keeping your original file safe. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can generate a shareable image URL from Google Drive quickly and efficiently. This method is not only convenient, but also helps maintain the security of your files while sharing images seamlessly across platforms. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.